Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Febriangga Wahyuni and my friend is Risti Indri Astuti. We will talk about conversation, research, and development in ELT. Hi Risti,
Hi Yuni.
how are you today?
I'm good, and how about you?
Yeah, I'm very well too.
So, what are you doing now?
I just finished the assignment and now I don't do anything anymore.
Can I ask you a question about our assignment that we discussed before?
Oh, of course Risti, what is it?
Okay, do you know about what is a research problem?
A research problem is a specific issue, difficulty, contradiction, or gap in knowledge that you will aim to address in your research. You might look for practical problems they aim at contributing to change or theoretical problems.
So, the problem in the research problems focus on.
Usually, the research problem focus on one or other. The type of research problem you choose depend on your broad topic of interest and the type of research you want to do.
Oh, I see.
How about literature review? Do you know function it?
Yeah, of course, to gain understanding of the existing research and to present that knowledge in the form of a written report.
Oh, okay, Risti.
Yes, do you know what is the impact of there is no literature review, the study, or research?
The impact in the research meaningless and imperfect because literature review is the main and most important part of the study.
Okay, Uni, how about research question? Do you know the purpose of research question?
The research questions proposed are determine where and what kind of research the writer will be looking for and it identify the specific objectives study or paper will address.
Okay, Uni, I understand it.
And then Risti, do you know how do you evaluate research questions?
We will start from general question that become more refined as the researcher increases their familiarity with the subject.
Okay, good Risti.
Uni, do you know the difference about qualitative research and quantitative research?
Yeah, I think quantitative research relate with numbers and statistics and qualitative research relate with words and meaning. And then quantitative method allow you to test a hypothesis by systematically collecting and analyze data. And qualitative method allow you to explore ideas and experiences.
Okay, good Uni, I become understand.
You're welcome, Risti. And then, do you know the step of analysis qualitative data?
Yes, I know there are steps. The first, prepare and organize data, and then review and explore data, and then create initial cost, and then review those costs and the last present it.
Oh, I see.
How do you explain quantitative data, Uni?
I think is data expressing a certain quantity, amount, or range, and it also meaningful to apply arithmetic operations to the data.
Okay, Uni, good.
Yes, and do you know what makes a good experimental design, Risti?
Experimental design means creating a set of procedures to test the hypothesis. A good experimental design requires a strong understanding of the system you are studying.
Okay, I get the point.
Do you know experimental design refers to, Uni?
Experimental design refers to how participants are allocated to the different groups in an experiment. Types of design include repeat measures, independent groups, and match part design.
Okay, Uni.
Okay, Risti, next topic. What is variable in correlational design?
Variables can be seen as topic of interest that can take of different value.
Okay, its mean variable is like a topic, right?
That's right, Uni. And then my question, what is survey design?
Survey designs in research is as the process of conducting research using survey that research sent to survey respondents. The data collected from survey is then statistically analyzed to draw meaningful research conclusions.
Okay, thank you for the answer.
Yes, Listi. Do you know the types of narrative designs?
Yeah, there are autobiography, biography, personal narrative, narrative interview, and the last personal documents.
Okay, I understand it.
Do you where are narrative used in design?
Used in broad sense to convey not solely a story of characters.
Okay, next topic. Do you know how many methods in action research?
I know, Risti, there are 7 methods, includes 1. Observing individuals or group, and then using audio and video tape recording, and then using structure or semi-structured interviews, and then talking file notes, and then using analytic memoing, and then using or take photography, and then distribute survey or questionnaires.
Okay, Uni, I get it.
Do you know the purpose of action research, Tisti?
The purpose is to improve the practice of education.
And what do you think? Why the action research popular in education?
Because there is always room for improvement when it comes to teaching and educating others.
Okay, Risti.
Do you know an example of mixed method research?
For example, the researcher collect data to assess people knowledge and risk perceptions about genetically modified food by using a survey instrument that mix qualitative open-ended and quantitative closed-ended questions, and both from the data are integrated and analyzed.
Okay, Uni, thank you.
Next topic, how is grounded theory different from qualitative research?
Because it has its own structured set of procedure, including theoretical sampling and open coding.
Oh, I see.
Do you know the advantage of grounded theory?
Yeah, I know. Grounded theory, the first is can identify the situated nature of knowledge. And then grounded theory procedures a thick descriptions that acknowledge. And then grounded theory is better at determine what actually happens.
Okay, I get the point. I think enough. Thank you so much, Uni.
You're welcome, Risti.
Nice to talk to you.
Yeah, nice talking to you too.
See you and bye.
Bye. And the conclusion of research in ELT is as prospective English teacher students, it is important for us to have a good ability to understand research report related to English, and also aim to solve problems, improve teaching or improve understanding our to English.